So, programming language books, you still see them on the store, and I wondered, is it really something that we can invest in 2023? Is it viable to still learn something, to still learn to code using books? Something that was used in the past, is it something that we can still use today? After the challenge, I'm curious to find if the information are actually meaningful, and see if I can extract any information from them. So, was it worth all of this effort? So I've read C++, I've read C#, I've read PHP, I even read UML and SQL, and even went to the effort of reading Linux. So you don't need to read all of these books and be an expert. You can be an expert without reading them. For sure, it's very important to read them to gain the basis and the basics of coding. So myself, I'm a DevOps engineer, and the only thing that I need to know is basically how to understand and how the code is organized and what it means to read certain sentences. It's very interesting for me to have an idea of coding. For sure, it gives an edge for a DevOps engineer to understand a little bit of coding. It is not in here, but I also read a Python book, and I think Python, from all the books that I've read during the years, along the years, it's the most easy to understand and powerful language. So C++ is mostly used to high throughput and high performance applications. It is used for applications that are meant to be quick, with quick processing speeds. It's not very user-friendly. Study C++ just to get an overview of the low-level languages and to see how they are built. C#. So if you are on the Microsoft side, UML. And now the big question: am I a better DevOps engineer knowing all of this information? Yes. Should you buy all of these books and read them? No. New language comes out, a new version comes out, and the book that you bought is no longer used and no longer updated. Try to read as much as possible stuff that is on the internet. Let's say if you want to learn JavaScript, go to the JavaScript page and read through their documentation. If you want to learn, let's say PHP, go to their documentation on the web page and learn. If you want to learn about specific versions of JavaScript, they also have specific versions of JavaScript there documented. I don't advise that people buy books for these types of. It's only a waste of money.